Did you know you can make up to $75 per hour by simply listening to music on SoundCloud? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. The best part is that it does not cost you anything and you can make money online from anywhere in the world. Don't just listen to music, earn money while doing it. Be sure to watch this video till the end as I will be revealing bonus tools that you can use to take your earnings on SoundCloud to a whole new level and automate your income. The amount of money that you can make on SoundCloud is limitless, and you do not have to pay any amount to start. First of all, you need to get a free account on SoundCloud by going to soundcloud.com and signing up. With SoundCloud, you have access to music and songs from all around the world, and it is absolutely free. You will not be required to pay any amount before you can sign up on SoundCloud. On SoundCloud, there are various songs in different genres and languages, so no matter where you are from, you will always find something that suits you on the SoundCloud platform. Once you open up the soundcloud.com website, an option will pop up for you to create a free account. You can choose to register with either your Facebook, Gmail, or iTunes account. After selecting one of these options, you will need to fill in your name and age. You can also download SoundCloud app for free onto your phone. This is how the app will look like on the iPhone in the App Store. And this is how the app will look like in the Google Play Store if you are on an Android. Now, feel free to comment down below and let me know if you are using an iPhone or an Android. Once you open the app on your phone or computer, you will see a variety of music that you can listen to. To play the songs that are trending, scroll over to the button that reads Explore Trending Playlist. When you select this button, you will be directed to a page that has all the trending music separated into categories. As you can see, there are different categories like Top 50, New and Hot, Workout, Study, and Party. Let's choose the workout playlist for example. When you choose a particular song, you will discover that there are other similar songs like that in a playlist. You can listen to all the tracks either on your phone or computer. You can also stay up to date on the artists that you love by following them on SoundCloud. We will be moving into another interesting segment of this video, and this is where the money is going to start rolling in. So keep watching. Now that you understand how SoundCloud works, the next website that I'm about to share with you is azlyrics.com. On this site, there are many different music lyrics available. You can also check out the lyrics of those songs that you love. Say, for example, if I want to look for the lyrics of this song, Caleb Scott, Heaven. I just have to click on the title and I am going to be taken to the page with the lyrics. So what's your favorite song? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so I want you to pay attention to this next part so that you do not miss any steps. As you can see here, this is the title of the song and there are the entire lyrics. This gives an incredible opportunity for you to actually listen to the music and transcribe the lyrics. So how much can you actually earn? For every single minute, you will get paid $1.10 simply by listening to the music and transcribing it into lyrics. Typically, most songs are often 3 minutes long. So if you are able to transcribe 5 songs, you will be paid $16.50. Not too bad, right? And it keeps on getting better. The next thing I want you to do is go to the website called rev.com. On this website, you can find many different job opportunities to transcribe music. The best part is that you can create a flexible work schedule that suits you. Choose from hundreds of different jobs and get paid weekly directly to your PayPal account. Be sure to keep watching this video as I will be showing you several free tools that you can use that will do all the hard work for you. Get started on rev.com. Scroll down to the end of the website. From here, select the button Become a Freelancer. You will be directed to a page from which you will now choose the type of freelancing that you want to do. From this page, you can see that on an average, a transcriptionist is paid 30 cents to $1.10 to listen to audio and video and then transcribe them. You can start making money by transcribing or captioning from the comfort of your own home. it doesn't just end there. You have the option of selecting the jobs that you like. The total amount of money that you earn is credited to your PayPal account weekly. Now, from what you can see on the screen, select the Learn More option. This will take you to a page that will guide you on how to register and start transcribing. Input all the details that are required, such as your name, email address, and your country. This opportunity is open to people from all around the world. Let us know in the comments which country you are watching the video from so that I can create specific videos for you in the future. Now, since you have made it this far, I'm going to show you another website that you can use to transcribe so that you can double your earnings. You can make more money by listening to music and transcribing it to lyrics. The website is gotranscript.com. As you can see here, even the University of Cambridge uses this website. When you open the website, navigate to the bottom of the page and select the Work option. gotranscript.com pays competitive rates for their online transcription jobs. You'll receive 60 cents for transcribing an audio or a video of a minute long. What this means is that for a typical 3-minute song, you will be earning $1.80 for transcribing. If you transcribe 6 audios, you would be earning $10.80. As you can see here, there are many different benefits for working with gotranscript.com. To get started on gotranscript.com, you have to first of all sign up for a free account. From your phone or computer, you should be able to see this Apply Now button. When you select this button, you will be taken to a page where you can fill in your details. Simple, right? A bonus tip for you to make more money is to simply sign up on multiple platforms such as rev.com and gotranscript.com. This is so that you have multiple job opportunities to make more money. Now I am going to be sharing with you a website that will automatically help you with the transcription. The website is called otter.ai. All you need to do is just sign up for a free account and upload the audio file, and the website will automatically transcribe the audio for you. If you are on your computer, you can simply play the music and the website will automatically transcribe the music for you. Sounds unreal, right? This is a free tool, so sometimes it might have little grammatical errors that you'll have to manually correct. The next free tool I would like to share with you is otranscribe.com. This tool makes transcribing so much easier. You can pause, rewind, and fast forward without taking your hands off the keyboard. To use this tool, just click Start Transcribing, choose an audio file, and start transcribing. Right now, I will share with you another tip that will help you multiply your earnings. Now let's go back to rev.com. You will notice that transcribing an English song into English lyrics will actually earn you $1.10 per minute. But if you scroll to the foreign subtitles, you will discover that they pay as much as $1.50 to $3 per minute. These are pretty high earnings. Transcribing a foreign song often pays more because it is way more challenging compared to other English songs. However, there is a website that can help overcome this problem, and that is deepl.com. The translator on deepl.com can be used to transcribe an audio into whatever language that you desire. So you can actually earn that whopping $1.50 to $3 per minute. This transcription can be done either from another language to English or from English to another language. For example, Dutch to French to English, and English to French. That's how you can make $75 per hour listening to music on SoundCloud.